everyone, I'm Peggy Kay, and today I'm going to show you how to use Meet video calling from inside Classic Hangouts Conversations. If you're using Classic Hangouts Conversations, you've probably noticed that the video calling option within your conversations has changed from Hangouts to the Google Meet icon. In a one-to-one conversation, when you tap that icon, you'll see the option to either start a Hangouts video call or share a Meet video link. In a group Hangouts conversation, tapping that video call icon will only offer the option of sharing a Meet link. Now, importantly, there are a couple of technical differences between Meet and Hangouts for video calls. When you start a Hangouts video call, it actually rings the other people in your conversation. So they hear the notification sound and they see a pop-up that lets them immediately join the video call. When you share a Meet link within the conversation, that gets shared just like any other link. So it doesn't actually call the other people in the conversation. And when you click the link, it opens up into a waiting room where you can check your camera and microphone, you can add a background, and you can see who else has already joined the meeting. You then need to click the join button on that page to actually join the video call. Note that if someone else gets the link to your Meet video call, shares it outside of the Hangouts conversation, that person will be able to click the link and end up in the waiting room, but they can't join the meeting directly. Instead, they have to click the Ask to Join button, and the host of the meeting can decide whether to accept them or deny their entry into the video call. Note that it's the person who creates the Meet video call link inside the Hangouts conversation who is the host. So that is the person who can either accept or deny someone's request to join the meeting, and the host can also mute other participants or kick them out of the meeting. There are also slightly different technical requirements between Hangouts and Meet. For Meet, you have to have a recent version of your operating system, and on desktop, you need to have an updated web browser. On mobile devices, the person needs to have either the Meet app or the official Gmail app. If the person already has the Gmail app installed on their Android or iOS device, then they don't need to install the Meet app to join the Meet video call. Meet is Google's updated video conferencing platform, and it has a lot of features that Classic Hangouts video calling doesn't have. If you are using your personal Google account, Meet's features include live captions, changing or blurring your background if you have a supported device. You can also change the layout, and your meeting can have up to 100 participants, with up to 49 of those participants in a grid in the tiled view. And you can cast the meeting to any Chromecast, like on your TV, and you can create a jam in Jamboard. So that's all you need to do to start a Meet video call from inside Classic Hangouts. I hope you have a great time video chatting with your friends and family this holiday season. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe for more tips and tutorials.